out a dime without breaking the bank with the items that you're going to find on sale at Bashas. Well, I'm going to show you how you can cook some Pollo Loco chicken for less than $3. Bashas has a phenomenal deal on chicken this week. They have chicken drumsticks and thighs on sale for 47 cents a pound. But here's how you can get that price. It is during their lightning sale, which is only on Friday, September 14th from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's the only time you can buy that chicken for just 47 cents a pound, and you can get 2 packs at that price. So with that, this is how you're gonna make your Pollo Loco chicken for under $3. So I purchased 3 pounds of chicken, and you're gonna need the following items. You're gonna need a half a teaspoon of oregano, and you're gonna mix all of your ingredients in a bowl because what we're doing right now is we're making the marinade. So you're gonna put a half a teaspoon of oregano in a bowl. Then you're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper in the same bowl. And then you're gonna add 1 cup of pineapple juice in there to your ingredients. Then you're gonna chop up, which I already have, a 1/4 jalapeno, very finely chopped, and keep the seeds in there, and you wanna chop it really fine. Then you wanna add 2 tablespoons of lime juice, so I just squeezed up some fresh limes. And you take all that, and that is going to be your marinade. So you wanna whisk it up. It's all mixed really good. And then you're gonna pour your raw chicken. Now, you wanna put in 8 pieces. I already made half of the recipe, so you're only gonna see 5 pieces here. And then you wanna marinate it for overnight for about 24 hours. And then stick it in the fridge, which I'll do. You cover it, stick it in the fridge, which I'll do later on. And then when you're done, you're ready to cook it. You're gonna cook it for 425 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. And if you have a cast iron pan, that would be the preference. And then you wanna cook it on the top rack of your oven so it gets nice and crispy like this for about 6 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven, at 425. And it looks just like this. Yummy. So now you have your pollo chicken. You get a total of 8 pieces out of this recipe. I'll have all the information. Just head to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. And while you're there, don't forget to sign up for the monthly newsletter because we've got some exclusive deals like oil changes for dirt cheap, or how about a deal on brats. As always, I appreciate your time, and don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.